Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can integrate Stripe with Base44, okay? Base44 supports external APIs, including Stripe, via backend functions, okay? This is what I'm going to show you how you can enable, and also its integration systems, okay? So what are you going to do? First of all, you're going to choose the app that you want to integrate with Stripe. In my case, it's going to be this one here. I just wanted to exit this. And before anything else, guys, I'm gonna recommend to you that you have to get your publishable keys and your secret keys from your Stripe account, okay? This is just very easy. You just have to go to your Stripe account and get them, okay? There's a menu there that says API keys, all right? Now, once you do that, what I want you to do is I just want you to go to the app in here, go to the dashboard, and go to settings, okay? Now let's go here to settings. Let's go to app settings, and I want you to enable the backend functions. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to do this. However, it's very important to notice that you need a premium plan for this. So just click in here and get your premium plan, okay, which is going to be $80 a month or $40 a month per for the actually builder, which is the cheaper plan that has the backend functions here. Now, once you do that, I just want you to go to the chat. Now it's very simple. And I want you to ask the chat GPT or the bot, just say integrate with Stripe. Okay, just click on this one. It's gonna take a couple of minutes, but then you're basically gonna be able to paste in your keys, okay, your API keys and your secret keys, okay, and you're gonna have your integration ready. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it, and thank you so much.